Malak runwang jay nyor ko dung dit media. Chang jandang jogu de kel pay badak karon kin dang raw de jandang raw de diech. Nong ye lar tina nong ye ni chang ko dung dit media ko ku junub Sudan kan win mon do dien. Ray lar ko ni chang ko dung dit media ne alar yen wo yen ye ngoto go misiran jo malajak. Be share be like ko bu godon wan we kulu shup ko be ne kon de lengo to me. Kulu shup. En wala ka chang jandang jogu de kel ka pay badak kel ko tuk lari ki akbar ti ba ko nung yelong min ba ko ra jode bala ra mi cha lad ram kel mo senior norway ra mi cha lad general Lul Ruai Kong ra mo che lad che gor ane kwen kai radio kon dia la jak ra mo lad je lo ra ko lo as a son min ga lo ko re kuma ko sal fakir so ra mi je no mo jen dan mo ko ra jode wale ko re je wo yene ideal tin ngak ke lurach biya taga komen kun ti biya latin bat mi chala mi shop ye ko bane ngaj roi de malade kana point de what is the difference dag dia na dimu roi chala de lu roi cher ga mandanen ci ne to kelat chola je personal advice wo ka lo jene luwe ga lo nuer jene ya ko bu ga ji ni rol chol ke greater borchar ke lo nuer holy land. So a very good name chu to go ti ngai kon kan chu do kon la chwal galo. La de je ni on gadun mu go mit ka South Sudan Defense Force. Project ye ku bi amala de ye bi aling yen lo. Why da lat ke lul nya diet ani ya cho lul nya diet che galo to ngai ke cho le lul nya diet. We know his family background, we know his father, his mother, and brothers. We know them as a law. Jangan guru wone ne bay question bay luek ko bialing ko bia ngaje wone ne ke 2013 wona ga 2016 ban ni runu tiri ngumi chana benefit kon lo la kon tere kur mu ngumi ji kon benefit ide yanda mene makeliu so right mo karwa ni kon yanda content of his speech yanat by them nanen kama na ko wone ne kon lo and it's again from position of who is spokespersons of the national army ya wa wulo ya no kollo so right me yala do generally we know about this talk ngai kona ga tala lat ga je ne rin one manana kunele to a senior norway menta ke jaw mi je jaw mo so nuer akel ko nuer lam akel and problem of nuer a problem ken so we are all aware of it me to go jubo ga 2013 tel nuer chwe le na me lo na me pangak na me bentio na me jikai no nuer di alju la one problem ni en la ken so we are all aware of this so me ben go wona ne ju kore ben yi junub Sudan ne de safar ken di al kel ka kon nuer ram ngi we are in refugees camp we are in IDP camp ta kon caravan centers in Juba kan rak ko ken ka South Sudan te tele mi je kon re din chu kon tele nuer ngi tele nuer ben tiyo tele nuer lok kon ken which mean a system mita ka tare a mashakal mijian kwa mijian thin two word nuer dia no matter what ka kor wala barma mare nuer ka suffering re nuer chu mata ga revolution tana kor cha na displace take individuals few ngai kon ga kan ne kon ku ra jodien to lul nya diet tin la lura ku ne le cholo senior nuer we those individuals objective bien ne to ron ga 2013 mane te chi binyo ko tai ga kor run ni ba wore objective bien ne nuer kor falge nuer ka kwa subjugate nuer ka wata da jan nuer ka kwa treat as jang won kon ne mo mo ti yara kwa ga jang then we benefit as individuals na ramo fatin ne dia long wan lu right it So objective dia ne wona ne an revolutionary notion kan wara kwa destroy. Atara mete melaro mala daga nuwar me jeg. Ana wano. Duru ajaram kele ga yero la daga duru ajaga low direct ye low. Ye cha use ko kore. Ne ti temala wallet ke ye. 1 2 3 thing 1 ye lat. The same boy la lat ke kanene content on senior Norway that I mentioned. Ajan malada mo ke le ulada je nasani alwiyat. Ajan raja mo lada je gata na ta mobilization lat ke nasani alwiyat. For nasani alwiyat now Chola je self claiming acting chairman of the SPLMIO, which is not true. He's acting chairman of the SPLMIO as a deputy chairman, which are chairman as I hear. You don't know. Can't imagine the meaning of Ram acting chairman for what is it. Ajani Nasani Alwajat is mobilizing now. We use mobilize, we control government, we form the government with a commissionary area. We talk about it in point of fun. Talk about the fun along. And as well as my would take a hack with the government, my parallel government, that a form, she may have formed the commissioner, the governor is now calling them to a point, which is a good position as well as my far right. That is the position after the collapse of the peace agreement. So, a lunya idea, they're going to call the you yet, ye cha use and Nasani alwiyat. Again, and Nasani alwiyat is use, who jen, Chiangwane, la children the Magui. They don't support him. Kaka they taught, they tell lot. Allow then mean ko la wo je yen ko position of his spokesperson ka national army ja wa wu lo ko. Allow wo ku ni acholi ni de tell lot. Gadian mo gan we chicken support tell like power and all this. So contingent to which we je yen position mo ke le win yen la lu ra a lot. South Sudan is a country, we are a nation. So mete ke national objective malatke. Man kula tega je ka bil pa man kwala chol je spokesperson ka SPLM. I mean ka SPDF. Ka Nuer ka kume jan is because there is a sense of nationalism. That means people are in the nation. Yejet. Nasani aluyat ran SPLM ayo before Remachar was the deputy chairman for Remachar. He contributed a lot. The peg long and the yalan. Ray ring the deal that Remachar still stood with him. Tonkel. So Nuare Changach, Lampol Gabriel the same. Chalet. And if you know that the objective of Mangur Kono Gajin of Sudan, he would have taken Nuare Bishwakarodi and Gur Kono Yunuban again with the support of other tribe. Do Rokin Yunu Pushwankelo, Konban Yunuban Alaka. There is no reason with the Lula Ramya, Chuli, Ramya Mandari, Ramya. As it, Metaga Bill Palm, they are Nuare Korodi. And nonsense. Tell the door. Lul Ruai one yagalat. You talk about the low story, corner the boom, which is good. There is no problem with it. Kolo put charity on Chatanki mention from 1920s. The arrival of British patrol land and convoy. Low chigichong boom. So we have the stories chigini ganas during Naganaka Gwek Wundang 1927. Chwala Kormidi Mitaka story of Sudan, Yarodian Gang. And the objective of that core was a colony. So that was a colonization period. Angana Rodian. So you have a talk. Regate the Ali Robalat, Nanya 1, Banaka Nanya 2, Banaka Spele, Banaka, all these things that we are doing today. Kilo Chicho. That means tell a Maga Rod Tilno. His story. Tell a Maga Rod. Lakin, a Wuchulo Chong, what the other. It does not mean that the law which you chong, which won't care for the government that it which a bench may have been. Bala government of another tribe, which you meant a Munya diet is aware. Medan me take a spell mayu. Chalo ne boga spell mayu. He was not intended to join the spell mayu. Ko chenga ka juba chenga ka South Sudan. Ke 2013 Uganda Maji was in Addis Ababa doing some courses. The courses still had. So me now one thing my neck and we just tell me to you remember of Monday, then they stay with people for a short time. And then people agree that let him be a spokesperson of the SPLMIO. So one, we was a young man, take a rang the measure do the check is a good position for him. So immediately me she Ramena me contribute was Lul. We all know him. So out of been 27 take on te bikul lo tiai. They talk a problem of SPLMIO 27 were eldest. They lao chang natin the Mario natin the Gaderia natin the about 27 of them garut gar ko ni ngan. That mean take a 13 politician take about 14 military official. So ben bukul lo ben ke ko ram ko men juba ke nyamalu. So it was a joke of the day. That time Lul se chutia yo. Kata hardship mi chele je, tela kormi yala terbo, mu kule yen ye from Juba to Ethiopia. What was the reason? So Aba Jagane, it was a family issue. Aba Jagame Thaga Jaga Spella my yo, take a frecha, ka family de. No more issues of family, ka Lul. Mishi pressure ka spella my medan cheno go kum, affecting money. Te mo mo ne be wan de ke low to the mo ke administrative area ko ngo ko ye nyan to dia lo la lo. So he's now in Bill Farm. So na te ka Bill Farm mo ade ko la lo now yen song nene ngora ane lenga mala de yen. The good thing ane ko la lo this time. What is it? Adin ngo. Geru jen rambi chiro ro ko Bill Farm. Na le power but he can speak nonsense. Tin kon den loan bakalat. Te kon te luon ba la de jikin te kon te luon ja yo walat ke in prita go bu ne ite ga no re ta ga government ngu te lu te ngu te ne de kula lo now let us stay like this call law our benefit be benen ngu te me da la do te du wan ja on as we say about this family issue te kon te kwa pressure ka spela mai go be ben ka kuma be tiai earlier. Saya punya on bo ne dari shek dari yang ka government of Jonglei State as a minister. Saya on dari kwal wazara betaji Yakub. Meja kam Yakub ka Jonglei. So I check they were appointed in the same woman. They could pressure to come to the government. So appoint in a very short time to Arame kuja appoint like chairman of the SPLM, IG ka Jonglei State, like deputy governor that time to watch. We are watch wa chilu we are watching about what. So she will lose on game much with title major. Now it's coming to the point that the Guru governor of the state. The Guru want Dr. Regaitin. So that is the reason why you see him talking. Dia la di la de ke wan Guru bagane. Eba anok ba ling. Kuma yang ayo I'm supporting the government, supporting the system of Dinka and to go juba ba anu la governor of Jonglei State. With no objective bas they will be over. If you IT to go to cham governor. That is the only thing. So mo kon mo point ko na low. They willing ni Lul Ruai. Again low. Man cha dwire kan ka support of Nuer objective. Din ka Nuer objective no wona na yes. Malat ke Nuer me jang no kon dial kon Nuer me taram kel me de malaro woni gwa Kie chen gwa mi chak ya Nuer. So me chulo udir tin ano adim hello. So that is the reason why we say when lunya diet ke lurai message me lade me ja ka lo. Kera ka ta na and like cha ko share ke ye gwi yen me is nonsense a business. Tell lo amaling. Kera ka ta na ja ko lat ko lo they don't have problem to support the Nuer objective. Mete me lat ke Nuer shi lo de do jok. For a woman problem maybe a kitchen of Sudan, Mulun Nuer shi lo dem pan. As we know all the destruction to con with your con law. Yeah, many people chicken do Lanecon, we know them one by one. So now Madakore Kuma Jongle State, Ka Juba, there is nothing. If you talk of Juba here, Telecon door, Yangan Wazir, we don't have. Telecon ministers through the SPLM government and non quality support of Dunya did. The guy who are Nanga Jongle State, quit that, Con Conlo. Kwat Con, Korea guy is an elder, Ramadi, Kasiasa, can indicate no con government and take by presidencies. So he's supposed to be here in Juba. One is disparity, a desperate of job, more lot. So if I what is trying to do there, tell Edward, who come over no contract administration, like a kuma benefit them, mala benefit ka kon law, when they con la one and a pan objective no issue na lat ke ne dial ko one and kuma ta janga je yek until cha watch pal je. The reason they con follow what is it? So ko no again the point na right con jode ko warga na na cha gor lu right la lu nya diet as we talk about it falling low we try use cái interest ni ko ngu ye ta na ya kwen talking about nonsense stories ti chima kwat ken telling people that nyor ne ko kon ju kume that mean na ne ke na ra mat ke wa je te tin yo tin and nonsense abang. So we can call it a day ban de ko ken ban ka nyom lat kon ko le and chukre